simply take the ends, kind of twist them around to make them as small as possible, and get those through so that you have the center for a flower. Now you can see that the ends are a little bit different in length and maybe a little too long, so just chop those off. And you've got a fun way of adding the tulle. You could take a couple of them next to each other, and that's a great way where you can use that tulle nice and soft and has that almost bridal feel, but it doesn't have to be used in that way.
Basically just line this up and then carefully trim around the edge. It doesn't have to be right along the edge, just close. Because whatever doesn't get cut, you can just fold over. It's a sticker, it'll stick. So fold over the edges. And there you have a really fun word-fetty stickered butterfly.
And that next step, when it is dry, is to go ahead and use a file. This is just like an emery board that you'd use for your fingernails. And speaking of your fingernails, if you have nice manicured fingernails, you're going to want to be really careful so you don't ruin them while you're sanding your buttons. But just really simply, you're just going to rub the edges and it's going to pull off the paper. And this is why you wanted to apply the adhesive all the way around, because it kind of does rip the edges. But if you've got the adhesive on the front and the back, it's going to keep that nice and smooth.